Today I'll be showing you guys how to do these 3 different techniques that you can use to add energy to your music videos inside After Effects. If you guys are new to the Sacred Takes channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below, hit that like button so my channel can continue to grow. With that being said, let's hop straight into After Effects. Now that we're inside After Effects, the first effect we'll be throwing on is CC radio blur. You're going to throw that on your clip. What you're going to do is you're going to duplicate that layer, delete the CC radio blur from the bottom clip so it doesn't affect the background. Go back to your clip that has the effect on it. You're going to head over to the center. You're going to put it directly in the center of the subject's face. What I like to do is I like to keyframe the amount at 0 in the beginning, go about halfway, bring that amount up to 8, go to the end of the clip, bring that amount back down to 0. And if we play that through, you can see it blur out the whole background except where his face is at, and that's pretty cool. Second technique we're going to do to add energy to your music videos, you're going to go to the beginning of the clip, you're going to skip over 5 frames, 2, 3, 4, 5, cut, skip over 5 frames again, cut, and you're going to delete that clip that you just cut. If we play it back, you can see it jumps. We're going to repeat the process again, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, cut, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, cut. As you can see, it has like that jump and jittery effect. And we're just gonna keep repeating this process till we get to the end of the clip. Do that one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, cut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, cut. Like that. If we play it back, you can see it has that jittery, jumpy effect to it. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna select all those clips that we just cut up. Right click, pre-compose, adjust composition duration, the time of selected layers. And to add more energy to this clip, we're gonna go over to effects and presets. Look up slider control, throw it on that clip. Now before you mess with anything in the effects and presets panel, you're gonna go to that pre-compose, go to transform. You're gonna hold down Alt and press on the time vary stopwatch on position, and that's gonna bring up the expression form. You guys are gonna type in wiggle, enter, write in 10, comma, enter. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab the pick whip tool, connect it to that slider control effect that we threw on. I'm gonna bring that slider up to about 12. And as you can see, it adds shake to the clip, adding a lot more energy to that single clip. This right here is that extra sauce, guys, so don't forget to hit that like button for me. Now for the last technique, we're gonna be using the 3D camera, and it's pretty easy. You're gonna head over to the left, right click, go up to new, add a camera. You could copy my exact same settings, it's fine. It's gonna say camera and lights do not affect 2D layers, just press OK. And what you're gonna do to fix that, you're gonna head over to the clip you're gonna be using and you're gonna make it 3D. Now there should be no issues. Now what you wanna do is, you wanna head over to your camera 1, head over into transform, and keyframe every single one of them at the beginning of the clip. And as you move through the clip, you guys can start messing with the camera options. For you to do that, you press C on your keyboard and it switches between the options. This option right here moves it left, right, up, down. This one right here zooms in, zooms out. And this one rotates it 3D space. So I reset all that. So this technique is perfect if it's a tripod shot and there's not much movement going on, you know, the artist is not really doing anything. So what I'm gonna do is, at the beginning, I'm gonna start it all the way zoomed in. I'm gonna skip a few frames. As he's moving his hand down, I'm gonna follow his hand. Zoom more in, keep on his hand, zoom out a little bit. Then when he puts his hand down, I'm gonna zoom back out, center the clip again. And as the smoke is coming out of his mouth, I'm gonna zoom in on his face so we can emphasize that more. Zoom back out. And at the end of the clip, we're gonna try to put him in the exact same position he was in the beginning. Now if I play that back, you guys can see it went from a boring static shot to a lot of movement inside that shot. Mess around with the movement. You can obviously do any type of movement you want, and make sure you're shooting in 4K because when you zoom in a lot, the clip tends to lose quality. So make sure you're doing this in 4K. All right, guys, that's the end of this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed the 3 techniques I showed you guys. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe button down below. I'm dropping tutorials every single week. Hit that like button if you haven't hit it already. It's gonna help my channel grow a lot. I appreciate it, guys. Comment down below what you want to see next. I'm always reading comments. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next tutorial. Peace.